beautiful people, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. We are happy, we are so delighted to have you here. Welcome to Joyton, and I do hope you will enjoy your stay here today. And we can never take your love for granted, okay? You are amazing. And on this channel, we'll be bringing you latest news and gist. And if you like to be family, no problem. Just go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And in this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
Are prone to that erosion. There's need for them to be evacuated temporarily, immediately. Yes. And then the constitution of the committee, the technical committee, should be done like yesterday, straight away, so that we can commence work immediately.
Okay. Nice, you are going to say something.
Yeah, just brief. So what I want to say is this. Now, ideologically, by the time we look at it and also check the nicer forecast, we see that the rains, the flood, is just about to start now.
Wow. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Wow.
Please, from our prediction. So please, sir. And it's going to be short time, but the effect, the impact will be great.
I think we recovered 3 cups. I was told that another, 4. At another location, they recovered another set of 2. You know, so we can't tell right now. But there are cups that or corpses that have not been discovered. Some people have not really come out that I'm losing my father, or I'm losing my husband, or I'm losing a child. So, or relatives. So, but for now, the best we could do is pray for ourselves and keep praying for government for more wisdom to know what to do. All right?
September 12th, 2021 is a tragic and unforgettable day for many families residing in Trademore Estate, Błøøđý, Abuja. On Sunday night, a heavy downpour which led to flood claimed lives and submerged houses and properties belonging to residents of the area. Roots TV visited the area to capture the aftermath of the flood on Tuesday. Speaking with the residents, it was established that the incident took them unawares. Some of the residents blamed the government for the bad building plan of the area.
To 10, I took the road to my house, my street in ABC Ojako. All of a sudden, I saw the flood coming. You know, I was inside my car. Immediately, my car offed. You know, and the doors locked. It wasn't easy. Just by the grace of God, I managed and opened the door. And you know, my friend was there too, so I have to save her and save myself, and that was it. I have to pull off my friend out and assist the person up, like by pushing the person from the water, like, you know, to look for a place that she can hold. So that's what happened. I have to push her on that car for she to be safe. And me, the next I have to like save myself by holding a tree. You know, that's how I saved. But my car went to the canal.
Everything, both my own personal works, this hard disk now, a lot of things is inside, both my brother's projects, which he's studying in Malaysia, all his projects, all of them is inside this hard disk. Most of them are hard disk here, all of them are spoiled. This is my laptop, that's spoiled. We have almost 3 laptops where all of them spoiled. So everything we have in this house, nothing come out. The only thing you are seeing now is only this chair, which we managed to wash them. The car that was parking here, the car spoiled. So they are, this morning now, they just took the car out to where they want to go and do something about it.
At about 8:30 to 9, we discovered that flood was coming. Before 8:45, it became serious. And in my house here, the next thing we saw was the compound was being flooded. As if we were dreaming. The force of the water broke the closed door, and then the flood came in like as if it came on a vengeance. The flood water, the level of the water got to my chest, and I was in the house, my wife, my 2 sons. My two sons, one of them was the last one. So we helped that one to climb the ceiling. And my wife was the one who were trying to climb the ceiling also. But she couldn't. So everything in the house was floating.
It was gathered that the bodies of people who were trapped have been recovered. Several others are still missing. At least 26 vehicles were swept away by the flood, while 166 houses were affected. The Director General of the FCT Emergency Management Agency, Błøøđý, gave the update in a press statement released on Monday. At the site, the Director General of the National Emergency Management Agency, Ahmed Habib, alongside other stakeholders, expressed displeasure over the incident and assured that measures will be put in place to prevent such occurrence in the future. Habib said technical teams, including meaningful stakeholders, will be set up in order to strategize on ways to stop the incident from happening again.
To what degree and extent, I may not be able to say now. And then we have also said a bigger committee is going to, in fact, they were supposed to be on their way to development control. So we are going to make our own input as an agency. And of course, there's a team here already from NISA, FCT Emergency Management Agency, NEMA coordinating, and then we'll come up with something that we're going to push forward. We are hoping that we'll begin to major more on disaster risk reduction efforts as a country. Because if that is done, we will talk less of search and rescue and other recovery actions. We are amplifying recovery actions.
The heavy flooding left many residents of the estate stranded, forcing them to seek for alternative accommodation.
Give us one of the rooms in his house. So because you can see that you can't sleep here, you can't stay here. So we have to relocate. The shirt I'm wearing is his own. So my two sons are over there. That is my wife outside. This car was parked here, but the flood moved it.
Mr. Bashir Garba, the Deputy Director of Operations, NEMA, while speaking on site, said the first step to preventing such occurrence was to evacuate residents living in areas prone to flood. Engineer Adewale Adenaike, the chairman of Trademore Estate, while expressing his grievances, volunteered to be part of other stakeholders which will be set up by NEMA. Recall that the Nigerian Meteorological Agency had earlier predicted heavy flooding in 2021 in 28 states, including the FCT. It is not the first destruction caused by flood in the FCT. In September last year, there was heavy flooding around Lokogoma area, which claimed lives and destroyed properties.
Of the public that the flooding in Trademore is not because of buildings inside Trademore. It's because Trademore is at the receiving end of a lot of flood water gathering all through from Kabusa, Lokogoma, Piakasa. And when we started developing this estate, even from, someone said Federal Secretariat, when we started building here 15 years ago, all those areas were bush. There was water seepage, which contributes to 40%, which takes away 40% from the runoff. Now, imagine there are maybe over 100 estates just in Piakasa. All of them don't have seepage again. Everything is being contributing to this channel. This is the reality. A width of maybe 25 meters is being constrained to 2 meters, 3 meters, and you're passing it through the express. So that area is like a dam. And that is why this water piles up.
Nigerians believe authorities have failed to prepare for the predicted flooding, as casualties recorded this year have so far surpassed the previous year. With more rain still expected in 2021 and years to come, residents of these vulnerable areas have pleaded with the federal government for intervention.
October is still there. The rains are still around. Anything can happen. So we are thinking that possibly the same committee will come up with, of course, working with the FCT leadership, coming up with where we can evacuate people. Of course, it won't be easy for the people here. From my experience, people that talk about our ancestral homes, it's not easy to move them away. These ones are no ancestral homes, okay? But moving people away from where they are used to is going to be a challenge. And of course, through persuasion and whatever, and then assurance that where we are moving you to is better, they will willingly cooperate. So we are looking at the possibility of evacuations.
Okay guys, so that'll be all from us today, and we do hope to see you in our next one. And if you are not subscribed and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And if there's anything you would like us to know or any kind of suggestion you have for us, feel free and drop it at the comment section and we will get back to you. Until next time, bye for now.